We have a clear business objective, which is to bring the entire offering that India has in the artisan sector across all the villages and clusters in a way that the customers would find it useful and acceptable. Our company was set up by Mr. John Bissell. Mr. Bissell, the founder, was extremely passionate about what India had to offer. He was an Indophile, very much in love with the country. We have two kinds of objectives that we work with. We have a profit motive, but more important than that is the social objective that the company works with. And that is something which we hold very close to our heart.
फैब इंडिया से सर मैं सन 2000 से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और फैब इंडिया के लिए प्रोडक्ट बनाता हूँ जो फैब इंडिया हमसे बनवाते हैं। फैब इंडिया हमसे लेकर के अपने स्टोर में पहुँचाती है, वहाँ बिकता है, तो हमें भी अच्छा लगता है कि हमारा बना हुआ प्रोडक्ट फैब इंडिया के थ्रू जा करके ऑल ओवर इंडिया बिक रहा है, तो इससे हमें बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है और हमें जो है हमारी रोजी रोटी का सिस्टम चलता है।
We have around 2200 employees as of date, approximately 200 stores. Apart from that, we have an e-commerce division also, and we have a global presence also. We have stores in Singapore, Dubai and all that. So that's the global presence of Fab India.
लॉजिस्टिक के अंदर हमारा मेन चैलेंज है कि जो हमारे प्रोडक्ट हैं हम उनको सही समय पर अपने स्टोर पर पहुंचा पाएँ और कोई भी जो ट्रांजिट में है कोई ट्रांजिट डैमेज ना हो, ट्रांजिट पिलफरेज ना हो।
FedEx handles a major part of the stuff that we send across. What FedEx has been able to offer is, because they are experts in logistics, experts in supply chain, been able to leverage those experiences of FedEx and use them in a manner that would be suitable for Fab India. It's very important to have a dream, but after that, you don't just rush into things. You start in a slow and steady manner, learn the ropes, but once you have learned it, once you have got the model perfected, then go and accelerate so fast that you can leave everyone behind and really go towards your dream at the fastest possible time. I think we've done well. At the same time, we are very conscious that we should grow without losing sight of our humility, which is the tenet of the company. We don't believe that Fab India is going to be ever run by computers. It will be run by human beings, and that human touch is going to be very, very important for us in the years to come.